welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is Pink Parcel time. I got myself a 3-month subscription to Pink Parcel with my birthday money. This was meant to arrive on the 4th of December, but they've had some issues and it came today. Pink Parcel, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly subscription box. It is a period box, so you get all of your products that you need for your period, and then you get a little box of goodies that just make the month better. So mine is meant to come on the 4th of the month, because that's the closest date. You can pick dates like when my period is. However, as I said, it didn't come today. I cancelled Pink Parcel initially because my periods were just so random and I had so much stuff. However, my periods are back, but I will be using a moon cup. There's a video coming for that, but you can donate your products, which is what I really like. You can donate your period products for women and girls that need them in the UK. So that is what I want to do with this. It's meant to fit through the letterbox, but it doesn't. It says it fits through 94% of letterboxes, and I've lived in 4 houses in the last 4 years and it hasn't fit through any of them. So you can see where the postman's tried, but it doesn't. So this is the box. Thumbnail! That's what Michelle does. She isn't doing that stupid voice. She does it in her lovely voice. But anyway, get off. You can tailor it to your... Get off! You can tailor it to what you want. On the website, you can pick whether you want pads, towels. Pads and towels are the same thing, Lucy. Pads, tampons. You can pick the brand that you want, whether you want... I think there's organic or natural ones. There's lots of different options. It's $12.99 a month, free delivery, cancel any times, or you can do it 3 months, 6 months, or a year. If you do a year one, it's one-off payment of $129, free delivery, 2 months free, birthday treat, VIP extras. So you get lots of good stuff. So this is how it comes, like this. You get the pink post, and then you get for nighttime. So you get a little box of nighttime pads or tampons, whatever you chose. You get a little box for later, which is pads and tampons. I've got hiccups. And then a little box for now, a little bag for now, which is really cute. And this has got tampons and panty liners in it. I don't know where the little thing is. There used to be a thing where you could donate, but maybe they haven't got one. I'll message them and ask because I want to donate mine. So, but this is the only box that anybody cares about. This is the For You box. So let's have a look. Oh, yeah! Candy kitten. You always get something to eat. You always get a tea. We used to always get a tea. I haven't had it for ages. So let's have a look. The first thing I've got, I can see, is candy kittens, which are like my all-time favourite jelly sweets in the world. The wild strawberry or strawberries and cream are my favourite, but I also like the sour watermelons. They're literally like the best jelly sweets there has ever been, ever. Fact. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Let's have a little look and see. This is the Treat Yourself edit. In December, Treat Yourself edit worth over £45. We're featuring not 1 but 2 must-have lip crayons. Keep 1 in your clutch and give the other to someone special. So one's going to go in my giveaway. When it comes to Christmas, the statement red lip is the makeup equivalent of the star on top of the tree. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. And then, yeah, it just tells you what's in it. So... we'll look at that in a minute. I'm just going to grab stuff. So the first thing I've already got this, is a Manica Dark Glow Illuminator. It's awesome, but I'll be putting it in a giveaway because I've literally already got one. It's really nice. I was going to swatch it for you, but I can't if I can't find it. But it's really nice. It's like a kind of pinky, champagne-y highlight. It's lovely. I use it on my lips as well. What have we got next? So next up we've got The Beauty of Giving. Oh, this is the I think this is the same. So we've got 2. Are they the same colour? Yeah, 2 of the same. Are they the same colour? Are you the same colour? Yeah. 2 lip liners. 2 lip crayons, so one of them will go in my giveaway. That's what it's like, the beauty of giving. They're giving you one. Lord and Berry. Oh, that's a nice colour. That's a really pretty red, and that feels really soft and creamy actually. Lip crayons normally are like really horrible on your lips. Let's put it on and see. That would just be better, wouldn't it, if I stopped chuntering and just put it on. Oh, I love that colour. Yeah! Probably not right with my hair, but I don't care. I don't care. So that is going in my giveaway, which I will link somewhere. I don't know where. What's next? Oh, this is something I hate. This is going in my giveaway, and I know there's lots of people love this. I just don't. It's the Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. Balance Me. My skin just doesn't like it for some reason. There is something in these that just my skin hates. So this little cleansing water micellar thing will be going in my giveaway too. And I think I saw an email saying that this wasn't meant to be in there, and nor were the candy kittens. Have they changed this? There's a couple of things that weren't meant to be in here, and then it got changed at the last minute. Oh, I can actually tell you how much things are. The crayons, these lip pencils are £15 each. The Manica Dart Illuminator is £22. Yeah, see, this isn't on here, so I think this must be something got cancelled and then this got put in as well. I did see an email, but I didn't pay any attention to it. So that's going in my giveaway. I've got a deep conditioning mask, Anatomicals, which is one of my favourite brands. Anatomicals, that's when I fell for the leader of the hair pack. A little sample, not a sample, a sachet of that, which is awesome. These are £1 each. This is full size. Anatomicals are an awesome brand. Absolutely love them. We've got a tea, which is chocolate, turmeric, ginger and almond. That sounds awesome, but also disgusting. So I'm excited to try that. The chocolate, almond and turmeric sound good, but I don't like ginger, but I'm going to try it anyway. These are, what is the brand? Dilmah for tea lovers. £2.19 for a box of 20. Can't smell it through there, but I'll let you know in the description if it is in fact awesome or disgusting. And then I've got Get Out. A cherry gel lip mask. I love a lip mask. This is a Korean, this is OK Beauty, and this is a Korean beauty brand skincare. And this says, this is £4.50, and it's just a hydrogel mask and tray, and apply it, blah 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 blah. You put it on your lips basically, and it makes you look like you've got a ginormous mouth. I love these things, so that is awesome. And then right at the bottom, there is the beauty of giving. Enjoy your full-sized lip crayon in the shade Here and Now. And then it's like saying your friend thought you'd like to try Pink Parcel, so we're giving you a free box, your free first box. So I will link that down below, and then you guys can get a free box, because Pink Parcel are nice and I'm nice as well sometimes. So yeah, that was my Pink Parcel for December. Very late, but if I hadn't already got the things, like if I hadn't already got this, I'd be like well chuffed with it. And my skin just doesn't like this. So 3 things are going in my giveaway, and then the rest of the stuff I'm keeping. No chance in hell am I sharing these, because I love them. But yeah, I'll find out about if you can still donate your products, because if you can't, then I'm going to be gutted. But I'm sure there's places online that I can do it. If anyone knows of anywhere where I can donate sanitary products to, obviously brand new ones, not used ones, because that's fucking gross, then let me know. But I will link everything down below for you guys. And stop shaking this thing. If you like this kind of videos, give them a thumbs up, bonk the bell, hit the subscribe button, join the giveaway, come and let's be Christmas friends. And I'll see you later. Bye guys.